Hey lovelies, thank you for tuning back into my channel. In this quick video, I am showing you how I cut out the muslin pattern that I had in my last video on the exact fabric that I used for this design. So I went ahead and folded my fabric in 4 equal parts. Remember, we used 2 yards from the last video. I went ahead and traced out my muslin on the main fabric. Quick backstory. I'd already made this design before, so the muslin is for illustration purposes. Extra volume at the sleeve as well. And this is how you make a simple chic blouse that you can throw on. Give it up for the front and the back of the top. Thank you so much for joining in. I will see you in my